Hey, what's up, guys? So here I have a Glock 17. This chamber with 9mm. Awesome pistol. This does have optic scope and it does have a laser. Very nice gun. Love the texture I put on it. Very accurate. Love it. So basically today I'm going to show you guys the trigger pull and the trigger reset. So there's a trigger right here. It does have a trigger safety about right there. Pretty nice. So I'm gonna show you guys that it's no mag and it's not loaded, so that's awesome. So now the trigger is ready to be pressed. So you can see there the trigger is there. So now I'm gonna push it down and you will have a fire right there. Very nice trigger pull, no issue whatsoever. Trigger reset. Start letting it go. There you go, trigger reset, and go back down, and it's good to go. Very nice gun, recommend it. I love the design on it, love it. Optic red dots, very nice gun.